we're going to be looking at quadratic equations. Sometimes we're looking at expressions. And look, sometimes the equation is like this, where it equals 0. Sometimes it's like y equals. Sometimes it's just an expression and there's not even an equal sign. But either way, when they're in this format, this is called standard form, where there's a number being multiplied by x squared. That's called a, right? So this number being multiplied by x squared, that's called a, right? And it doesn't matter like whether it's equals 0 or equals y or just like not even equals at all. Okay, so that would be the a value. The number multiplied by x is called b. And the number multiplied by nothing, no x squared, is called c. Okay, that's called the constant. It's not being multiplied by a variable, it doesn't change. Okay, so sometimes the a, b, and c are really straightforward. So like for example, in this one, this is this format, y equals, right? Now look, the a equals, look, what's this invisible number being multiplied by x squared right here? Oh, it's an invisible 1. Here, the a value is 1. Okay, and the b value is this number being multiplied by x, right? This is the b value. That's positive 4. And the c value is the constant, the number that's not being multiplied by anything, and that's negative 8. Okay, let's look at the next one. Here, the a value is negative 2. The b value is, what's this invisible number right here? And you got to be careful, right? Because it's a negative, and it's a negative invisible 1 right here. So a is negative 1, a is negative 2, b is negative 1, and c is this number right here, positive 6. Now, let's look at this one. There's only 2 terms here. Well, remember, the a is always the number being multiplied by x squared. Always, no matter what. So here, the a value is the number being multiplied by x squared. Okay, look, same here. There's only 2 terms. The a value is the number being multiplied by x squared. Okay, the b value is the number being multiplied by x. So here, there is no b. There's no number being multiplied by x. Like, where is this b? Well, what it is that there's actually an invisible right here, an invisible in the middle. There's a plus 0x. Right? And that 0 times x is just 0. So here the a value is 3. The b value, there's no number being multiplied by an x, it's 0. And the c value is negative 1. Okay? Now in the third problem, there's a number being multiplied by x, right? That's this number. This is the number being multiplied by x. So here we have an a value of negative 5, a b value of 2, but then the c, there's nothing here. What there is an invisible plus 0, right, which we don't write and we don't need to talk about, but this c value would be 0. Okay, go ahead and try it out.